change the career of an employee or others who are really career aspirant like me. So that made me to attract to join this Be10x program.
Okay. And what made you feel that you want to join our masterclass? And was it the skills, curriculum, or the mentors?
Exactly, the mentors are the ultimate mentors. We have very good mentors, so, and of course, curriculum also it attracts me a lot because within the short term duration, once I get upskilled in this areas, what you are going to taught me, that definitely I will be trying to shift my career. Ultimately, the mentors are really good, experienced, and very friendly as well. I mean, what they are teaching, and if at all some of the doubts that were not clarified during that time duration, we have live Q&A sessions as well. They have scheduled, so we are open to ask anything, even if we are not able to attend the classes also because of some personal unavoidable reasons. They are providing the recordings. That recordings are using that recordings also we can able to get the required knowledge with the help of Copilot to create the MOM and sharing it with a wider range of audience and the clients as well. So that way they were impressed for the quickness and accuracy. In a traditional way, if you try to put them in a black and white paper and do it, it will take a lot of manual efforts. And the thing is that it will be even there is a erroneous representation also that may lead unnecessary difficult challenges to the organization.
Hi Madhusudhan, how are you?
I am good. How about you?
I am also very good. So, can you briefly introduce yourself and please also share what your work was like before you joined B10x and our masterclass?
Sure. So actually, I'm basically an IT professional working at Hyderabad for a MNC company. I'm having almost 20 years of IT experience and working as a Scrum Master for various organizations. And before this, I used to do all my work in a classical and traditional way, like how a techie do before the AI coming to the picture. And after joining this class, I was exploring myself and I was thinking beyond my boundaries and trying to do something different where it could be unique and it can be utilized in a way not only for me to enhance my skills and also the whatever I'm creating that should be useful to the globe. That's what my intention. And based upon this one, I have started learning some new AI tools and other things. I have a daughter. She is an MBBS student, right? I have a son as well, and my wife also a working professional.
Okay,
That's about
so the
myself.
work which you were doing before joining our masterclass, so was it like manual or like tiring or like for example you were already using AI earlier?
Earlier, I used to do this chat GPT sort of things, and it's manually only. Because to be frank,
Okay.
because even in our organizations, all the AI tools were not implemented up to the mark. So they started exploring all this stuff like Gen AI and other AI tools and other things like even Copilot. Also, all the client level people and other organization level leads are given access to use them, so that that using that one, I'm able to reduce my work hours. So that like the MOM minutes of meeting, I'm able to extract from this AI tools only.
Okay.
Instead of writing them manually on a paper and after that consolidating that information.
Okay, and these are the problems that you had faced like in your old way of working.
Exactly, that is the traditional way. So it is a time-consuming process. After trying to implement these AI tools like Copilot and other things, able to even Excel also, like automation sort of things, right? So we are able to cut short that working hours, whatever we are spending on those work, and utilizing the saved work hours for other purposes.
Okay. Okay, so now what was the main reason that made you look for a better way of working? For example, long working hours or any repetitive task or for growth or recognition. So what was the
Exactly.
exact main reason? Yeah. For your
Exactly.
shift to AI.
Good question. So ultimately, it is a job shifting, my main motto. And apart from that, I do not want to continue like a traditional workaholic person. So I want to utilize the time, as I mentioned in the beginning, by upskilling myself with the AI tools, and the remaining time, I will be also trying to do some more stuff where it will be utilized for me and for the growth of the organization, for my family as well. Yeah.
Okay. And how did you first hear about B10X and about our masterclass?
Exactly. So B10x, I have heard these classes earlier as well, and as I said, I'm a YouTuber. So as and when I'm going through the YouTube stuff in other channels, this B10's advertisement popping up there, and it attracts me to join the class. The initial, so that introductory classes that goes around 3 or 4 hours, where the basic techniques and the tools were introduced, and after that they have given a roadmap how they want to change the career of an employee or others who are really career aspirant like me. So that made me to attract to join this Be10x program.
Okay. And what made you feel that you want to join our masterclass? And was it the skills, curriculum, or the mentors?
Exactly, the mentors are the ultimate mentors. We have very good mentors, so, and of course, curriculum also it attracts me a lot because then within the short time duration, once I get upskilled in this areas what you are going to taught me, that definitely I will be trying to shift my career. Ultimately, the mentors are really good, experienced, and very friendly as well.
Okay. And what was your first impression after joining the masterclass about our teaching style, session structure, and all of these things?
It's good, really good. The mentors are really user friendly. Uh, I mean, so they are giving a very good explanation when they are explaining all the things. So at micro level also, we have very good idea. I mean, what they are teaching, and if at all some of the doubts that were not clarified during that time duration, we have live Q&A sessions as well. They have scheduled. So we are open to ask anything, even if we are not able to attend the classes also because of some personal unavoidable reasons. They are providing the recordings. That recordings are using that recordings also we can able to get the required knowledge or whatever we
Okay.
have used in that duration. Yeah.
Okay. And when did you join the masterclass?
The masterclass I joined around 1 month back, 1.5 month back. I did not remember exactly
Okay.
the date. If you want, I can explore it in my email. Whatever the registration I did, I'll let you know.
Okay, sure. And how soon did you start seeing the real impact? For example, was it in a few days, weeks, or month? And what was the first change that you have noticed?
It's in a few days only because as I mentioned, right. So after listening to few of the tools, what the mentors are teaching, I was able to explore them on my personal interest and was able to change.
Okay. And what achievement that you have achieved that you can share with us? Any career
Definitely.
achievement?
Career achievement, as I mentioned, but I'm getting appreciation in my organization because of the speediness what I'm showing with respect to deliver what they're expecting from me.
Mhm.
Like, as I mentioned, Copilot and ChatGPT, all these we are using there. And even the transcripts, what we are getting generated in the meetings, using those transcripts with the help of Copilot to create the MOM and sharing it with a wider range of audience and the clients as well. So that way they were impressed for the quickness and accuracy. In a traditional way, if you try to put them in a black and white paper and do it, it will take a lot of manual efforts. And the thing is that it will be, even there is a erroneous representation also that may lead unnecessary difficult challenges to the organization. So that way I can say I have improved. And even some of the technical stuff which I'm not able to get well answered, that also I'm able to solve it with the help of Copilot or Gemini and ChatGPT, all these AI tools.
Okay. And can you share some real examples of how you are using AI in your day-to-day life? For
Definitely,
example, in
definitely.
any task of you in your daily life that you have
Correct.
automated with the help of AI.
Yes. For example, if I can say, as I mentioned, I'm a Scrum Master in my organization. So if I try to write a mail to my boss or to my team, it will be taking a lot of time, and there could be grammatical mistakes as well. So to override all these things, what I did, I have given my inputs to the AI tool like Copilot or ChatGPT, I can say, and I mention like this is what the mail I want to write it to my client or to my boss or my team. So it itself has given the template to me with accurate information. So it reduces a lot of time to me, and only I need to do, I need to just replace the names and the date or whatever the addressing patterns. That way, 3/4 of my time was saved. And along with that one, I try to use it on creating some uh, clubbing of workflows or Excel sheet, I can say, or data also, that I'm doing it with the help of these AI tools within a short time duration. So, but for doing the same thing, it will be taking a lot of time to us, and we need to write a lot of formulas and other things,
Mhm.
all this stuff. That way, I can recommend to learn AI whether irrespective of your age.
Okay.
Yeah.
And for my last question from my side to you is that where do you see yourself 6 to 12 months from now using AI?
I want to be in a bigger position. That's what my target. By end of next, not this December, but by the end of next December, I want to be in a big position where I will be automating everything what I have learned through this AI. So very big, not in a traditional job what I'm doing right now. Maybe I will be doing the job, but along with that one, I want to do something different where that should be unique and that should be productive. That should be giving a revenue generation to me, and that should be utilized to my family as well. Yeah, that's what my main motto.
Okay, so thank you so much for sharing your journey so openly with us.
Yeah,
And we are truly proud to be part of your journey, and
thank you so
also
much.
we know that your story will is also inspire many others to
Yeah,
take so that they will also get to learn that this AI thing, and they can also excel in their career. So thanks, Madhusudan,
thank
for
you so
giving
much.
us your
Yeah,
time. Yeah,
thank you very much. Yeah, yeah.
thank you,
Bye.
thank you, thank you.